Hi. In this video, we are going to see that how can we fix this yum encountered error outside of EasyApache 4. This occurs when we try to provision any version or extension inside EasyApache 4 from our WHM panel. And without fixing it, we can't proceed to the further provisioning. And if I click refresh, nothing new happened. So this error won't get solved that easy by just click on refresh or log into our server via SSH. Yes, we need to log into our server as root via SSH, but not just only login. We need to follow this knowledge base article. Link of this knowledge base article you will find in the description. And the first thing is we need to log into our server as root, which I already did via PuTTY SSH client. The first step is we need to run this yum update command, which we usually does in order to update our pre-installed system packages. So as you see, when we are trying to update our system packages, it throws an exception that there's some conflict in this Let's Encrypt package. And that's what's happening these days with Let's Encrypt. Yes, this is not a problem related to the systems license or any control panel. Let's Encrypt official GitHub confirms that there's some problem in their repository which they are trying hard to fix it. But we didn't need to try hard to fix this EasyApache 4 error because what we need to do is simply uninstall Let's Encrypt. Then change the default installation directory of Let's Encrypt and then again install Let's Encrypt. So let's first remove the Let's Encrypt repository from our server. Type Y and press enter. It has been removed. And if you're on Ubuntu, please use the below apt-get command. Anyways, let's make a new directory to archive the old Let's Encrypt files, which would be inside root, named fleetcell archive. Now let's move all the files from yum repos D to fleetcell archive. With the same file name and latest date in YMD format concatenating with it. Now clean all yum cache. And start making cache from here. Now we need to reinstall the Let's Encrypt. And now again run the yum update command. Type Y and press enter. As you can see, no more errors now. So let's wait till it finishes off the updates. It's done. It will take 45 minutes of yours to finish this update, but after that initial prompt of typing Y, it won't ask you for any other input. Although you can eliminate that initial prompt by running yum update yi. But anyways, once it's done, you can simply click refresh now. And the error has been resolved. You can see it won't appear anywhere now. And we get our EasyApache 4, which we need for all types of package and version modifications. So that's how we can fix this error. Thank you for your time.